Welcome to our chemistry channel. In today's lesson, we are looking at law of multiple proportion. We are looking at example of law of multiple proportion. What does the law of multiple proportion say? The law of multiple proportion states that if two elements combine together to form more than one chemical compound, the mass of one of the elements which combines separately with the other element are in a fixed whole number ratio. The law of multiple proportion states that if two elements combine to form more than one chemical compound, then the masses of one of the elements which combine with a fixed mass of the other element are in a simple whole number ratio. We want to use this calculation to verify the law of multiple proportion. Phosphorus form two oxides by reacting with oxygen. Analysis of the two oxides shows that in oxide figure 1, 56 grams of phosphorus combines with 44 grams of oxygen, while in oxide 2, 57 grams of phosphorus combines with 43 grams of oxygen. Show that this result illustrates the law of multiple proportion. Now you have solution here. Then in sample 1, 56 grams of phosphorus combines with 44 grams of oxygen. Now, 1 gram of phosphorus will combine with S gram of oxygen. This 1 gram now is fixed for phosphorus, then it will be fixed for phosphorus in the second sample. Then X, if I cross multiply this to time this, I will have 56 gram, 56x now is equal to 1 times 44. Then X will be equal to 44 over 56. (44) divided by 56, we have 0.7857. That's 1 gram of phosphorus now will combine with 0.7857. 0.7857 grams. Now in sample 2, 57 grams of phosphorus combines with 43 grams of oxygen. 1 gram also of phosphorus will combine with S gram of oxygen. So if I cross multiply this will times this now, I will have 57x. This time this will give me 43. 1 times 43. Then x will be equal to 43 divided by 57. We have 43 divided by 57. 0.7544 grams. Now it is 1 gram of phosphorus in sample 2 will combine with 0.7544 grams of oxygen in sample 2. Then if I find the ratios of oxygen in the two samples, ratio of oxygen now in the two samples, you have in sample 1 you have 0.7857. Ratio sample 2 0.7544. Then if I divide by the smallest of this ratio, this is the smallest now, I will have 0.7857 divided by 0.7544. Ratio, let me divide that here now. So I'll find the ratio of oxygen in the two samples. In sample 1, which is this one, you have a 0.7857. Ratio in sample 2 is 0.544. Now divide by the smallest, which is this one now. So I will have 0.7857 divided by 0.754. 0.7544. Ratio is 0.7544 divided by 0.7544. So I'm dividing by the smaller values now. So this will give me 0.7855, 0.7857, 0.7857 divided by 0.7544. So I have 1 here, then ratio 1. You see that in the two samples, the ratio of oxygen that 1 gram of phosphorus combined with is a simple number ratio, 1:1. So since the ratios of oxygen in two samples are in a simple number, then the law of multiple proportion has been verified. Thank you.